So we have created actually the environment Python which is necessary for our for future runs. So our step is now preparation of Ligand topology. For that purpose we will use this server actually, and now we will add hydrogen atoms to our ligand. Actually you can use Avogadro's program, or you can use a very simple thing. You can use the Babel. If you remember, we have installed OpenBabel. I have shown you in last videos how to install OpenBabel. Let me check if it's still installed. So OpenBabel is here. So let's see how we can do that. I will just say OpenBabel here. It says OpenBabel input file name, output file type, file name, and there are options. Okay, and I will say OpenBabel. I will say input file is my pdb, and name is ligand.pdb, and my out file, this is small o, that is small 2 file, and then cap o, file name is ligand.mol2, and I need hydrogens added. So this is actually a full command. Let me just drag it like this. So this is the complete command, and then I will press enter. So one molecule is converted. I can see the ligand.mol2 in code. Here you can see that is ligand.mol2 file actually, and I will just name it as ligand, and here you can see all the bonds, and these are the atoms, and I will save it. Okay, so now we got hydrogens added. We have changed the name. Next we have to fix the names and the numbers. So this problem is actually with you can say Avogadro's, that these molecules have the different numbers and these have the different numbers. But if you just do it with OpenBabel, everything is actually fine. The numbers, they are actually the same. Here can be any number. So I will say that we have just only one molecule here, so you can just so why not we do it in a smart way instead of doing one. I will go to replace actually, and I will say it, okay, replace them all. Okay, and these atom I will prefer that why not we just change it into the ligand actually, or Ligand, I will replace it down. Okay, so we have got it like this. Let me align the file. Actually alignment is a bit important actually, and then I will save it. So our ligand.mol2 file is prepared here. I will just save it, and let me check it. You should check it along with the things that everything is changed or not. So it is changed. So what is our next step then? Our next step is to apply a script of the Perl actually to fix the bonds. Okay, and this scripts you can download very easily by using wget and then the Perl address, and then script is downloaded, and then you simply need to apply this script here. And if you remember that we have put the name as ligand, and here we will also name as ligand.fix.mol2. Molecule is now converted. Let's see our molecule, ligand underscore fix.mol2. So the bond order is almost fixed, 1 to 10. Other things are intact. Actually this is fine. Next thing is creation of the topology with the Cygen server actually. So let me show you the Cygen server. This is Cygen server. You need to create an account, and then you need to log in, and upon login it will ask you username and password. I will give it because I have already created the account. So here are 3 steps. Step 1, you will upload mol2 file, you will realize it, is it okay, and then you will make the creation of the parameters. So let me go to my folders actually where everything is. If you know the command explorer.exe and this folder, it will automatically open that particular folder. If you remember that we have done that already. So what I will do, I will just drag and drop this ligand molecule here. Okay, I will upload it. It will say, okay, recognize this is your molecule. Yes, this is mine. I will select 5.0 version here. I will process the input. I will run the engine, mean in few seconds download the results are downloaded here, converts to GROMAX. So I need both things, the results from the cgen f force field server and also from the GROMAX, and I will download these GROMAX results here. So it has downloaded these two things here, and then what I will do, I will copy and paste these zip files into my folder where it is required. So I will just copy and paste, or I will just cut and paste these two things into my required folder. Okay, so these are here. I can unzip it. Okay, why not I just remove these copy numbers. Okay, and here you can do ls static dot zip. Is there anything? Yeah, we got two files. I will say unzip ligand underscore fix dot zip. It says archive replace mol2. Yes, we want to replace it. Okay, so these four files has been created, and I will now unzip this file, if I can spell it. Unzip ligand underscore fix underscore chromax. So it has also unzip this force field, actually force field 36, which is required LTR, and here you can see these are our files which have been generated, ligand pdb top file, and then we got here charm36, we got mol2 file, str, and cgen.mol2 file. So we got the files which are required for the generation of topology of our ligand molecule. So next thing is to download this script. Actually this script, it can be downloaded from GitHub website. Actually, if you go to this GitHub website, this is the script, and I want you people that you should download it like this. Save the link as, so the script should be downloaded into py file. That is important, and it is downloading on my desktop, and from desktop I will copy it. Of course, this is a script. I will copy it and I will paste it into my folder. Okay, and now this file, it has been situated here. And next thing is next thing after doing that, so this file, it requires few things. It requires the network X version and other things. So this command I will run for that purpose to generate the topology, and at the end, if you see this message, that means the topology files, these are created. So let me copy and paste this particular command and let me check it. We need to change the names actually. Okay, here it is. We have ligand underscore fix, and inside the file, if you remember, we put the name ligand, if I can spell it well. Okay, and then so everything is fine. here I want to show you one error. We got this error because we haven't downloaded actual the real py file. We have downloaded something which contains HTML script. So we have done something wrong. Let me go back. So what you need to do, you need to open this jump file from the GitHub. Instead of downloading it directly, you will download the raw file. Okay, it is downloaded in my desktop. Even you can see the difference in the sizes. So I will copy that and I will go to my folder. I will delete the old one, 933 KB. Okay, and to be careful, if you wanna look at that, I will show you that it contains HTML codes. Okay, see, it's contain HTML codes, so we don't need it. I will do rm, I will delete it, and here you can see no file is present here. I will paste my new file, which is actually the Python source file. Let's see what inside this file. And oh, I have removed it again. Let me just code it. Okay, here you can see now there are no HTML contents. So this is the actual file which we need for our purpose, and now we will run it. So I'm showing you the errors actually because you need to be very careful. You might encounter these errors and you have to overcome by yourself. Okay, so one thing you should remember that this force field we had downloaded, but it should be unzipped into our folder. So you need to be very careful. This is zipped, we need to unzip it. And second thing is this file was creating some problems, so I have fixed it. I will send you my this file actually for that purpose, or you can fix the names by yourself. It's up to you people. So you can try with the downloaded form. If that doesn't work, then you can download mine from the link, and then you also need to check everything is fine. Python file name ligand underscore fix mol to ligand underscore fix s and fix.str. So these files, these are coming from the server, you should remember that, and these versions they should match. So this is 5.0 version Java field which we are using here, and the same version we have downloaded from cgen server, if you remember. Then I will press enter. So it is saying that code is tested with this version, so it's done, conversion is completed, topology has been written to ligand.itp file. So let's see. So it has created these files: ligand underscore ini.pdb, ligand underscore prm, ligand underscore top, and ligand underscore itb. So we have successfully created actually these files which are necessary for the ligand topology. So you can even check these files from here, that either these files are present and they are working properly or not. Even ligand.top file you can check by code. I will say ligand.top file, this is the topology file of the ligand. So this is topology file of the ligand. This is position restraint for the water. These are the position restraints also. This is the file which you have used. So one molecule which is ligand. So everything is fine here. And also you can check the ligand underscore ini.pdb, which we are gonna use in the next thing. So ligand is there, so this is in proper pdb format. And even if you wanna check it with the pymol, you can check it with pymol. So here I have opened this pdb underscore ini file into the pymol, and it seems fine. That is the ligand.ini file. So I can see the ligand. That means my INI file is ready. This is ITP file. This is ligand parameter file. So everything is fine now. We have prepared the ligand topological file.